In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized layout on TradingView. A layout in TradingView is essentially a snapshot of how your chart looks and feels, your drawings, markers, colors, labels, and overall visual setup. Saving a layout lets you return to the exact same chart appearance later, so you can work consistently without rebuilding your setup each time. First, start by tailoring your chart exactly the way you want it. Add your markers to highlight key price points, and draw lines such as trend lines, channels, or horizontal levels for support and resistance. If you use prediction markers to sketch potential price paths, place those now as well. Customize the colors so everything is easy to read at a glance. Use high contrast between your lines and the background, and select line thicknesses that are visible without cluttering the view. Label your markers and lines clearly with concise names like weekly support or breakout line, so you always remember what each element represents. This is also a great time to adjust candle colors, grid visibility, or background shades to match your preference and reduce eye strain. Once your chart looks just right and you're satisfied with the placements, head to the top right area of the screen. You'll see the current layout name, and right next to it, a small caret icon, basically a little triangle that opens a menu. Click that caret to open the layout options. In the menu that appears, you can click Save to update your existing layout with your current chart changes. This is perfect when you want to keep working within the same setup. If you'd rather preserve your current setup as a brand new layout, click Create New Layout. When you choose Create New Layout, give it a clear descriptive name that tells you what it's for, something like Clean Trend Lines, Scalp View, or Colorblind Friendly. A good naming system makes it easy to switch later without confusion. After you click Save or Create New Layout, TradingView will store your current chart look, including your markers, lines, prediction markers, colors, and labels. That's it. Your customized layout is now saved. From here on, you can confidently come back to this exact configuration whenever you need it, knowing your visual choices and annotations are preserved. Keeping your layout organized and readable helps you analyze faster and make decisions with clarity. And with your layout saved, you're set up for a consistent workflow every time you open TradingView.